Your Toshiba TV turns on, and you can hear sound, but the screen stays black. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix that problem with step-by-step troubleshooting you can do at home. The first thing you should try is a simple power cycle reset. Unplug your Toshiba TV from the wall, not just using the remote, but actually pull the plug from the socket. Now, wait for a full 60 seconds. It's important that you don't rush this part. After 1 full minute, plug the TV back into the wall and turn it on. If the picture comes back, then the issue is fixed. If not, don't worry, there are more steps you can try. Next, remove all the cables connected to your TV except for the power cable. That means unplugging any HDMI cables or other input cables. Once that's done, turn your TV back on and see if the on-screen menu appears. If you can see the menu, then the screen itself is fine, and the problem is likely with one of the cables or connected devices. In that case, check each HDMI cable one by one. Make sure they are clean and properly plugged in. Try connecting the cable to a different HDMI port if your TV has more than one. You can also try using a different HDMI cable to see if that fixes the problem. For this step, unplug your TV from the wall again. Then, go to the physical power button on the TV itself, not the remote, and press it down. Hold it for about 15 to 30 seconds. This helps clear out any leftover power inside the TV. After that, wait a few more moments, then plug the TV back in and turn it on. This method can sometimes reset the TV's internal system and fix the display issue. Sometimes the problem isn't with the TV at all, but with the power source. If you're using a surge protector, smart plug, or any extension, unplug the TV from that and plug it directly into the wall socket. Make sure it's a working outlet. If the screen is still black, try a different wall socket in another part of the room. Power problems can sometimes cause the TV to turn on with sound but no picture. Now let's check if your TV's screen is working but the backlight isn't. Turn the TV on and make sure you can hear the sound. Then, take a flashlight and shine it directly onto the screen from up close and at an angle. Look carefully to see if you can spot any faint images or shadows on the screen. If you do, that means the display is working, but the backlight has stopped working. If you don't see anything at all, then the issue could be with a deeper part inside the TV, like the main circuit or screen panel. That's it for this video on how to fix a Toshiba TV that has sound, but no picture. I hope these step-by-step methods help you get your screen working again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Still have questions, or did one of these steps work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.